Check out the snake. Holy cow. Anybody know what kind of snake that is? Check out this. Sitting right here. Look at this. Nice lure right there. Sitting right there for me. Oh, defense, 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 defense. Hey, we got a bottle top. I'm gonna say Miller Lite. Corona. I should say Corona. They're all Coronas. Oh, we got something here. What do we have here? Ooh, it's like some kind of toy here. With little wheels on it. Looks like a toy cannon or something. Look at that. Huh. I don't know what that is. Pretty cool. Look at the size of that thing. Look at that. Blue nails, my baby's got blue nails. Welcome to Prime Time Magnet Fishing, where history meets adventure beneath the water's surface. Join us as we embark on a journey, tossing our powerful magnets into rivers, lakes, and canals, pulling up relics of the past, mysterious artifacts, and sometimes even weapons lost to time. Come along for the ride as we uncover secrets, clean our waterways, and dive into the unknown with Prime Time Magnet Fishing. A lot of branches out there. I hope I don't get stuck. Just jinx myself, as my daughter would say. Oh, let's see. Got a nice battery right there. That's one I used to have on my camera. Big chunk right there. Big nail. These big chunks. What we got here? We got a big old pork chop right there. And all these chunks. What do we have here? Big old bolt. Big old bolt and a bunch of crusties. Look at all these. Another big bolt. And crusties. Oh, look at this. Some big crusties. Holy cow. What do we got? We got, oh, look at this. Look at that thing. What is that? Squeak. Got file. Maybe a file in there somewhere. More crusties. Yes, we got a dangler. Look at that. What is this? Oh, this looks like a piece of a monkey wrench. A big wrench, monkey wrench, whatever you want to call it. What is this? Wow. I think I found a new species of animal here. Look at that. Who's eating that? Oh, let's see. Look at all this in our water supply. Not our water supply, but our water. So here we do that. Let's see what we got. We got a big pork chop right there. Something right there. Oh, what is this? Look at that baby. That is a nasty sucker right there. Look at him. Oh, whoa. We got something right here. Oh, what do we got? Oh, I thought we had a knife, but we got a hacksaw. Hacksaw ridge right here. There's the other part of the hacksaw. Haha, look at us. Another lure. Look at that guy. He's got a lot on him though. Oh, what is this? We got, look at this. We got ourselves a tiger reel. Somebody got mad and threw their whole reel in there. We are in Avoca, New York, doing a little magnet fishing. Look at this old structure here. Holy smokes. Wow. I can picture a steam locomotive going across here. Some kids over there in straw hats fishing like it's 1888. Oh, we got something new. Surprise. We got a rare old spike. I think we got something. I feel a little weight there. Yes, we got a railroad spike. Nope. Okay, I think this is going to be who we're going to find today. Ooh, I pulled one right out right there. I saw it come right up. Look at that, another railroad spike. Oh, we got ourselves a big old bolt. Look at that baby. Too. No, look at that. What is that? That's part of the sign. Does that say bridge? Holy cow. Oh, cap. Oh, we got, I want to say Corona, but this does not look like Corona country. I'm going to say Miller Lite. Yes, baby. Miller Lite. Oh, just picked up a railroad spike. Saw that flip in the air. Go railroad spike. We got something here last minute. What was that? Just a big hunk of metal. Oh, this is one of those. Get those every once in a while. I don't know what they are. Big plate. Got that the last second there on shore. More than a spike. Got another bolt. Whoa! How much would a woodchuck chuck if I break an ankle? Holy cow. We got a spikerooski. Nope. We got ourselves a plate. Look at that baby. Another on the other side. Why'd I do that? Okay, we're in another spot in the Cohocton River in Bath, New York. Just another beautiful day out here. Beautiful scenery. Something down there. See if you can see it. Big. Ooh. See it in there. We got a piece of it. Look at that. I don't know what it was down there, but I got part of it. Look at that, it's an elephant. Check it out. Check it out. Oh. gosh, I thought it wasn't going to be as deep today, but I think it is deeper. I think what I'm going to do is see how far I can walk down and throw out down here. I don't know if you can see this stuff in the water already. Right here, like this. Now it's smooth. Look at this. What kind of thing is this? Holy smokes. Got something right there. What we got right there? We got another kind of wheel thing here. Holy cow, that's heavy. Have fun carrying these out. What is that? Holy cow, that's heavy. Holy smokes. We got some pipage. Look at that. That's been down there a while. And some crusties. Ooh, check that out. I just found in the mud. It's one of those filament things. Huh, check that out. Save that out. And what do we have here? Don't know. That looks like some kind of brake pad or something like that. I don't know. Spikeroo. Look at all this. Got a small spike or something. It's like one of those dental things that look in your mouth. Nice spike edge. Got a, I don't know, mini cap to something. Another nail. And a bunch of crusties. Okay, what do we have here? We have some barbed wire. The old fencing here. Barbed wire. What is this? Hear no evil, see no evil, speak no evil. And a ton of crusties. Holy cow. Being a big old pipage. Look at that. Look at that pipage. Holy smokes. And what do we got here? Some pipage. Don't know what that is. Oh, have my lucky day. Look at that, a horseshoe, a little broken, but hey. What do we have here? We got another piece of that. And we got some kind of triangle with a T for Terry. Hey, but how about that? I finally got a T for Terry. What is this? Oh, it's a piece of wood. That's wood down there. This is old school stuff. We got wood and metal. Whoa, we got a little bit of everything in here. This looks like off a bike peg. We got a loaded spring you hang down. Look at that. Something there, I don't know what that is. Pretty good solid piece of metal. And some crusties. What do we have here? We got another T for Terry. Yeah, it looks like some kind of spigot. Just saw that on a video. You don't say spigot, you say spigot. Oh, that's this copper on this end. Look at that. That's copper. Sort that out later on. Oh, we got more of this. Oh, that's that thing I saw down there, that triangle. Found one of these before here. What is this? What is that? And welding some stuff here, a nail. I see a couple bottles in here. I'm gonna grab. Look at that thing. This one. Looks like an old Pepsi bottle. Look at those amounts. Okay, found these two bottles. I have to clean these up. Anybody tell me what these are? Maybe how much they're worth, if anything. Little Coke bottle. Whoa. I think this sucker might be old. I think this might be old. It's got a patent number on it. Okay, look at this. Hoo 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 hoo. It's like a crankshaft, something. Sprocket. I think I see a rear or side view mirror here. Nope. Gas cap. Got something right here. What do we got here? I do not know what that is. This looks like your, ooh, maybe a leaf spring. I was thinking blade, but leaf spring or something, I don't know. Oh, look at that. That looks like an old combination lock or something. Not sure. There's more and more stuff. Oh, got a big piece of metal here. Crusties on it. Big pipe edge. What is this? Holy cow. I think I found Zeus is somebody's discus. It's that old. Holy cow. Look at this. Another one of these brackety things. What is this? Huh. Oh, we got something right here. Look at this. Just walk around some pipage. Big, huge pipage. Now, what do we got here? We got part of a hook. Hook. J for Juliet. They've been doing a little repairing the banks here. Almost looks like they made a little fishing spot for me. Okay, let's have at it. We got something right off the bat here. First throw. Looks like we have, I don't know, looks like kind of a gym weight, but hello. Whatever it is, the big one. It's the big one, Elizabeth. It's the big one, Elizabeth. What do we have here? Ooh. What do we have here? Holy cow, look at that. What is that? Huh. What is that? It's heavy too. Heavy. Oh, we got something else. Hey, we got sand on it. We got a doorknob. Check that out. That's an old-time doorknob. Huh. Here. Ooh. I don't know what this is. Okay, it's hooked. I gotta make a little pun there. Question mark. Piece of metal. What do we have? Part of a leaf spring or something, I don't know. You auto guys tell me. Ooh, I think I might wiggle something out there. I think I wiggled something out. Wiggle it just a little bit. Now what do we... There's some kind of metal plate. Sweet. Okay, I think I know what this is. No, I don't. Thought maybe there was tar on there. Thought it was a road thing, like maybe like a gas line or something that's in the road, and they tarred over top of it and then plowed it up, and I don't know if it would have a hole in the bottom of it like that. I don't know. Got something. Hey, one of my favorite things to get. Oh, I just love getting these. I don't know why, I just do. Nice horseshoe. Gotta hold up for good luck. Woohoo, horseshoe. I don't know why, I just love getting those. Got some kind of bracket or something, I don't know. It's a NCAA basketball bracket. Got something else. Okay, we've got part of a horseshoe. How about throwing your shoe? And this piece of metal on a rock. Some other things on here. Times I love getting out and magnet fishing. Ha 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 ha. I don't know if you can see that in there, but when's the last time I laughed like that? Was one I got a horseshoe. 2 horseshoes. I don't think I've ever gotten 2 horseshoes in one day. Look at that. It's a little thinner one. And some little nails as usual. Look at that. Double your luck, double your fun. We got a bunch of nails, I believe. We got a bunch of, ooh, look at all those. That looks like, I was gonna say that looks like a key, but it's got just a rock on it. Some kind of, no. Again, it looks like a key, but it's got a rock on it. And a bunch of nails. Yeah, I got something. I gotta throw it again. Pulled that right out. Ooh. Tire iron. Who needs these anymore? Just call it AAA. Got something. See me pull that right up out of the ground. Get rebar, I think. Did I grab it? I got rebar down here. Oh, no wonder I didn't grab it. Got that big chunk there. There we go. Look at that big chunk of rebar. Oh, cow. Oh, look at that chunk of rebar. Holy cow. Horseshoes and question marks. That's what we got for today. Okay, one more. This is the last one. Last one. Unless I get something. Okay, I got some little crusties there. I think we're done. Oh, no, I got more than little crusties. Got a little piece right there. We're calling Dave. My arm's getting sore. Prime time magnifishing, where history meets adventure beneath the water's surface. Join us as we embark on a journey, tossing our powerful magnets into rivers, lakes, and canals, pulling up relics of the past, mysterious artifacts, and sometimes even weapons lost to time. Each throw is a step back into history, revealing the hidden stories of our waterways. From rusted old tools to forgotten treasures, every find tells a tale. But it's not just about discovery. It's about preserving our environment. We clean our waters, one magnet at a time, and take our scrap metal to the scrapyard, turning history into a little bit of pocket change. Come along for the ride as we uncover secrets, clean our waterways, and dive into the unknown with prime time magnet fishing.